Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to editing PDF documents in laptop or PC. To start, you will go to the link that we left you in the description of the video. There, click on the option, PDF to Word. After that, click on the button, Select PDF File. In the pop-up window, select the PDF and then click on Open. Now in the side panel, leave the option No OCR. Click on Convert to Word and wait for this process to complete. Finally, you will click on Download Word. Click on the downloaded file so that it is opened in Word. There in the document, click on Enable Editing. This will give you the possibility to edit your document as needed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.